Memo wakwaba deba GCN page so midin ede adwoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Faunsa me bell no so. Ubenya notification. Ense me koso abia ubenya bi etie anase ubenya bi ahwe. NDC Zongo Caucus Secretary ena okase. Na ne nsema okan na ne se Ghana fo mo nse ye ni subai. Mo nse Ghana fo yenye. Ghana fo nye. Na Ghana fo ne akoye ye hu nipa bia. Ye betumi agege wa de wakogina nsu netifi. Na ye agya ho na wugina ho. Ende se wunni nsu dware de a. Ena ne se wugina ho a se wugina ho se Yesu ambemi de a. Ena wo begina ho a. Sa ena owura no eka se Ghana fo ye ni suban. Na de enti a okase ina ne se 2020 eto aba wo Ghana ha no. Na Madam Jane Mensa ebeje n'edwa na ogege tinegu ena obeka kire Ghana fo se eye na nado dankwa ekufu ado ena wasanso enwini election no bio NDC fo se hey omotikọ kum omobuafu adanya election ne de esen kom no omwini because omo wo figures bi omo keka boboma eda di pefe se esen kom no omo enwini na ba ne se na Madam Jane Mensa we wiem anase wada ne figures na ode akoma nanado ene NDC fo so omo nti ase press conferences ahodo na omo ka che Ghana fo say oh omo de omo nim say oman penida da John Dramani Mahama ena owini election no nti omo de omo nim say omo president ni omo nim president bia ka oman penida da no ho so say Ghana fo beji atum say oman penida da na ewini election no ansa na omo de omo nim say omo president no oman penida da na nanado de enyomo president a any demonstrations e course wo Ghana hanya sem keto akra ena de ade a na Ghana fo se de mu ye enhwa kwem mo hwe na sa battle mo na mo anwini a Supreme Court ena siwe omo e paint white fefefe kra mo fa mo asem ekọ ho na mo fa nkoda mpelifo na se mo asem no ewomu a amo beka bia ma mo na mo anwini enim so a mo bedifo ena Ghana fu piepie ndisi fu yo mu duonduonduonduondu na owure ya kire se aho na mo Ghana fu munim court se ye ndisi fu munim embrace ye na ka ye nimpa se ye de asem be court but na ye sha demonstrations ye be kasa kire Ghana fu na ye be bompai no ena ka ye good option but Ghana fu mo antie ye na mo se ye fa court ye de court asem ahu de mo de ye ena court yenze we be kenya na mo abagu nsema ye be kan wo court go bia na mo abagu mo hu de Ghana fu mo agege nya ade akwakosi na adofo yenti ensema owre ede etudwa
minim se MPP ni eba police station na we be di boni a and the boni a we ba be di is against the constitution. I was say ye use constitution in preventing you from doing it. That is the only way we can. Uba aswase masa. A lot of people say aswase is in the belly of the elephant, but they biano we beat them to it because in fact process ni niago. 2020 election polling agent exams. Ube polling agent also show exams. Train no for 3 good months, and we prepare them to go and face them. Now many they biano want say MPP. Omuba ene omuka asema ocha na omasisa no kojo ponkroma is saying say ye case no ye can say ye win elections after ye kokota ya kwakwasisa ya no kojo nkroma please be truthful kakra enye no kre because ye from day one ye can say Jane Mensa election na wo bobɔ no problem e wo ho ye mpene na won bra na ye ntina se na yen solve problem yen declare the right result. That has been our case from day one, and we have been very, very, very consistent.
1 minute more.
I will not be surprised because MPP unim say we need case we elections no. Omo can say oh yen fan court, and I say no. About court you don't know court more than us. About judicial reforms sir. Ocean MPP aye any near ye de no doso. Enti yeno yenim court but constitution am my kwan. Say you bet show petition the akoma easy. Say you bet demonstration.
Because almost reforms there, normally do electoral reforms. Yeah, they be.
I'm not talking about electoral reform. I'm talking about judicial reform.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Well, inti, and I can say you bet me court. You bet me show petition. You bet me a demonstration. You bet me Eddie Amanya me na bomb pie obi a wodi boni bia no ya me any nindi. Now were options on the table for us. But I want to say, yenja all these options, you know. The only option is the court. And I'm start instigating amount for Ghana Bar Association, then, and it will be a Canadian.
Now the way, mommy.
And I say, you be court. Now then, let's see, you court, you know. You are turning the facts again. Yet, you are wishing me saying, Yamia, what you are saying. I don't know if any pastor. Nipa de untumi nye bibia ye de asam akokod nyame ena be kan ya asam amaye ye ni akukuduro ye ni aban because we say oti president ni o kan ye na president commander in chief we are the first gentleman of the country. You have the guy to stand in public, speak as the president of this country. Now we catch a judge say asama John Dramani Mahama ba ye no omuntu asem ningu Masa, way. You come and ye and interference.
All right.
Is it that what he's saying is also working? Because the president is consistently has been telling the justice, the respected justice,
yeah, you have said the Supreme Court case equal ya. What you say? Niema dane kwanso. Pass here. Niema dane kwanso. Now we yem papa esidun ketia. Ene watche cheninse mu no keka kaninse mu na politics nya kasatentin o yemfa sebe agudie nko politics ho waase yemfa agudie enko politics ho wana takashi yemfa nya politics kasa obekasa no right after election. Say, assembly nya drew court them one a different ball game. What does say? A different ball game. And I would check in Yamana already we are ya to about ye. Niena NDC Tita phone be ye. Sanka ye nyambo treka kra ewo Ghana. Ghana go kwa say bia Sierra Leone, ana e bia Liberia, ana any other war countries be. And ye to aba opposition no lucy ye no na onye ntumu ana oye de de nkrofo ye de sei kento kwasi ye for bibia to nchen say bia wodopa be too much for to nchen Ghana for ye tie ho ase say anibia ba ama Ghana che say we nke so ya santini we nke so ya igbeni we nke so ya timini we nke say we not na ye nyina ye tie ho ase ya wareware ye ho intermarital exercise no aboa ama Ghana democracy no a develop yi ankanye cause 2020 general election e course no say ye kan okore pa na ye de nyame etofo mu a sankanyankopon amoa kentokwa betimasi Ghana senyame amoa because say no samega mi say NDC awini ase edunkatia say NDC awini je emnankase mu so say wawini na nyade a obepene ama obi ade adane namba na wo share supporters ni bi so eye campaign na bi ye de ne to so obi a che say omo supporters na jet mi so mo wini mi amenyonko brebo a wono so ye NDC ni no wono to say o say e aman we de no nte sa Alhaji Bass o say no aman ye wini se ekokoye o man foforo bi so a anka na Ghana anka ye to nyum foforo enso esan botre so nkwan ye wo na ewieye abaye se enko court aye ko gina Supreme Court no mi gini ye se 2024 se o kwa akoto aba ana se 2024 se ye to aba wi a 2024 se ye to aba wi a na so be de bia you think twice. Sa Ghana kokoye Liberia ana Sierra Leone anka bra ye to abade wieye dede a course won kan to kwasi Ghana nti e besere se ye mpanimfo no men kabaya anka JM madwen kire o me hu ni se ase ne nkwada na di nachi na chidifo no leaders ni bi no oma disappoint no yes oma disappointing to the extent say papa yi nanum onyam sonko a wo our political arena na yama papa yi atima begina bonten say we win election ya chairman so wonka no begina bonten say we win election na sam kokodu court ni general secretary was yebusa ne say yebusa onaba say dunkatia say ono ani calculation no betimi aka percentage ko a eye ne patch ni nyan was there bi ontimi nka tie the key point na udi politics ya chia wanfu wafu ani akire wanfa wakoma anko di politics ya chi yusu wagene we yerkwa ne ka kirewo anya ntro ne etwa de akirewo ye ka no kore na de akirewo because the idea is what you ase no so simple idea is what you ase so simple. General Secretary of the party akwa jina court yebusa ne say in his own calculation or check here the political party bra no mo ka so mo awini no percentage be na mo base on how the jina so mo awini no and yebusa say okay or check here in own calculation na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo abane yeto ye no say no gidi pass e ono ye den enyan eno nso a general secretary ya papa se dunkatia o say no enti we say ibusa o say ene ye die be enti na no man kwada ene